Hello everyone, this is Teacher Karen. Good day po sa lahat ng mga estudyante ko at sa mga nanonood. Sana makatulong sa inyo ang video na ito. So, ang lesson po natin ngayon ay Subtraction of Polynomials. If you still remember how to subtract integers, then you will apply the same rules in subtracting polynomials. KCC rule. K stands for keep the minuend. C, change the operation from subtraction to addition. Then C, change the sign of every term. So example, we have negative 7 minus negative 9. So keep, change or KCC. I-keep natin yung negative 7. And then, i-change natin yung minus into addition. And then, negative 9, change natin into positive 9. So, magpo-proceed na ngayon tayo sa addition rules. Sa addition kasi, kapag magkaiba ng sign, we will subtract. And then, pag pareha sila ng sign, we will add. Since we have negative and positive, we will subtract. So, 9 minus 7, that is 2. Mas marami yung positive kaysa sa negative. Kaya, ang sagot is positive 2. Next po, 10 minus 15. So, 10, keep, change, na minus to plus, and then positive to negative. Then, magkaiba ulit sila ng sign. So, 15 minus 10, that is 5. And then, mas marami yung negative kaysa sa positive. So, that is negative 5. Next po, example, negative 7m plus 10n minus 15 minus 2m, negative 6n, positive 12. Change, yung unahan, which is the minuend, keep natin siya. So, same lang siya. And then, yung minus, gagawin natin plus. And then, yung negative, yung positive 2m, magiging negative. Then, negative 6n, gagawin natin positive. So, katulad niyan, change lahat ng sign ng every term ng subtrahend. So, yung positive, naging negative. Yung negative, naging positive. Yung positive, naging negative. Then, we will add 7 plus negative 2, parehas ng sign, we will add, then copy the sign, which is negative 9. So, ilalagay natin yung negative 9 dun. And then, copy the literal coefficient, which is m. Next po, positive 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. So, 16n, positive 16n, don't forget the sign, plus. That is positive 16. Then, n. So, copy yung literal coefficient na n. And then, next one is negative 15 plus negative 12. Since pareha sila ng sign, we will add 27 and then copy the sign, negative 27. So, that is the final answer. Negative 9m plus 16n minus 27. Next po, 12x plus 6 minus 8, negative 8x, negative 11. So, ikikip natin si 12x, positive 6, and then yung minus gagawin natin plus, and then negative 8x, negative 11, magiging 8x plus 11. And then, we will add 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. Then, copy the literal coefficient. And then, 6 plus 12, 11 is 17. So, positive 17. Tandaan nyo, ang magkatapat, kailangan parehas ng literal coefficient. Dahil hindi mo pwedeng pagsamahin pag magkaiba sila ng literal coefficient. So, dapat yan ay naka-align. So, the final answer is 20x plus 17. Another one, we have 7b cubed plus 10b squared minus 3b plus 11 minus 2b cubed negative 12b squared positive 8b negative 9. So, ito, i-keep, and then yung minus magiging plus, and then change yung sign every term. Positive, naging negative, then yung negative, naging positive, and then yung positive, naging negative, and then yung negative, naging positive. And then we will add 7 plus negative 2 is equal to positive 5. So, 5b cubed. Next, 10 plus 12, that is 22. So, 22, positive 22b squared. Next, negative 3 plus negative 8, that is negative 11b. And then 11 plus 9, that is 20. So positive 20. So that will be the final answer. 5b cubed plus 22b squared minus 11b plus 20. Okay, 5x squared positive 3x minus 5 minus x squared negative 6x negative 4. So keep and then change. And then we will add them. Pag walang number, automatic, that is 1. So 5 plus negative 1, that is 4. Next, nagiging 4x squared na siya. Then 3 plus 6, that is 9. So magiging positive 9x. And then negative 5 plus 4, that is negative 1. So negative 1. Next one, negative 7p squared q plus 8, positive 8pq squared negative 10pq minus negative 4p squared q positive 12pq squared then negative 3pq. So keep and then change. So negative 7 plus 4, that is negative 3. So negative 3p squared q and then positive 8 plus negative 12, that is negative 4 pq squared and then negative 10 plus 3, that is negative 7. So negative 7p squared pq. So that will be the final answer. Okay, problem solving. The local government unit LGU of Manila has enough fund for all the patients affected by COVID-19. The local fund is represented by 6x squared plus 3x negative 2. Kunyari, yan yung amount. So, sa letter A, represent the amount of budget after 2x squared plus 5x negative 7. Ito naman ay ginamit sa construction. So, gagawin natin, i-minus natin sa 6x squared. Yan, ma-minus natin yung 2x squared plus 5x minus negative 7. So, ito, keep, and then change, So, 6 plus negative 2, that is positive 4. So, 4x squared. Positive 3 plus negative 5, that is negative 2. So, that is negative 2x. And then 2 plus 7, that is positive 5. So, positive 5. Next po, evaluate 2x squared plus 5x minus 7. If every x square meter is 800 pesos, so magkano kaya siya? So, isa-substitute natin yung x by 800. And then, susundin natin yung GEMDAS. So, 800 times 800, that is 640,000 times 2 plus 5 times 800, that's 4,000 minus 7. And then, kapag minultiply mo itong dalawa, that will be 1,280,000 plus 4,000 minus 7. So, the answer is 1,283,993. So, reflection lang po. When things are not adding up in your life, start subtracting. So, thank you and God bless.